Hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Brian, and this is going to be a tour of the interior stateroom aboard the Carnival Conquest. Let's go check it out. Now, this particular unit is on the 8th floor. It's room 8223. So, starting from your walk-in door, you have 3 cabinets that will be on your right-hand side. So, your first cabinet is going to be storage place, pretty much for your hanging clothes. Maybe some shoes. Second cabinet, again, more of the same, hanging clothes, possibly shoes at the bottom. Your third cabinet is going to be for your closet space with your shelves. So maybe if you like jeans, swimsuits, whatnot there. Okay, adjacent from the closet, you have your bathroom, and it's pretty much the same standard bathroom on all Carnival ships. You have your shower, toilet area, and then your mirror and vanity areas. Pretty decent sized bathroom. Now moving on, you have your bedroom. So this is a interior cabin, so it's pretty much small quarters. So you have basically what amounts to a queen size bed, a little area over here with a mirror, and underneath we have a mini fridge. And over here you have your TV right across from your bed, your standard safe area, and you have your drawers right here, hair dryer, and finally you got your workstation and another getting ready area. All right, so that's pretty much going to conclude the tour of the interior stateroom. But like I always say, my personal opinion, if you're going to stay in a cabin for 5 days or less, you always get an interior cabin. I mean, unless you just want a balcony or whatnot. But the money that I'm going to save on this, for me to upgrade this to a balcony, was going to be another $449. This only has 2 stops. I mean, we're going to hit 2 ports of call, and each one of my excursions, one is $130, the other one's $150. That's $280. I still haven't spent the $400 I saved on this. So like I always say, 5 days or less, you get an interior, and that's going to pay for your excursions. So you can do a couple of different excursions, and they're free. And the way to think about it. But if you're going to be on a cruise, anything over 5 days, I'd definitely invest in a balcony, because the balcony becomes part of the experience. Then you just have one a peace of mind, or unplugged from the casino and the bars and the Lido deck. You just go out on your balcony, sit there with a cup of coffee or a book, and it just adds to the event. So that's my personal opinion. I hope you find this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe, and you enjoy your cruise. Until next time, be safe and be adventurous.